Got an issue with A3 laminating coming out, so if it doesn't get manually touched at the top here, it can go underneath that little lip here and it will scrunch itself up, so it won't have anywhere to go. So keep laminating, keep rolling it through, and you'll end up with this horrible bit at the end. So I'm going to come with a little fix for that now. So the first improvement I tried was putting this black tape over the edge here to create like a sort of seamless transition between the matte and the metal part, but it's actually getting stuck on the underside of the tape, so that didn't quite work. So the next rendition was to just send through a sheet of laminate, and I put these magnets at the bottom. So when that goes into the ramp, I can push it right down to the bottom, and as the laminate comes out, it will slide up here. It won't even touch this part, won't touch that part, it will only touch the ramp. So as you can see, as the paper reaches this point, it doesn't get caught or anything, it just carries on sliding up, and we end up with no defects. As an extra bonus for this improvement, I've labelled up the extender itself, made sure that the label's on the opposite side, so again it won't catch on the lamination. Magnets here, standard location here, it just slots down there, and magnet just there.
Me, Jim, Slavik and Jake installed the wall panels.
Welcome to Mission Control. So here we have all the tests of things we want to get done for Lean Summit. So Simon and people give some deadlines. We'll be able to come in here and add new things to it as we work through things. We've got our board here where we can write down notes and have meetings, and immediately put action points on here. So it's separated into departments, people, and then we've got another board here for FBA stock issues. If we have any problems with things running out, we need to get things urgently, we can make a note of them here. We'll keep expanding and growing this, but for now, it's good stuff.
Okay, so I've just made a standard location for oiled and non-oiled gloves, as when I come to fold oiled metal, I'm usually just wearing the gloves that I'm wearing, which then ruins them, so I can't touch any other metals because it leaves fingerprints. So yeah, thank you.
I asked Jake to make me a reordering Kanban for the cable ties, so I don't have to keep texting him and asking him for them.
Okay, so there's any answer where the question is asked where to restock the tape from the tape gun when it runs out, and rather than going over to the gondola area, we now put it at the below of the desk.
Sometimes during the day stock can commonly be left just on the floor here. I'm going to see if I can get that tidied up a bit. I've repurposed an unused trolley. It can hold less of the overstock than before, and it's neater than being on the ground. But if any custom-made items come through, there's also a space that can be put here instead of directly in front of my workspace. Thank you.
Well, every time I finish my gloves, it's just have it laying here. So you'll get that for you, but well, now we're when we're in the gloves hanger to hang my gloves. Thank you.
When we put small parts in the rumbler, sometimes it can take quite a while to find the parts again when they're done. So I've just added a box with some welding wire and some snips to the rumbler, so we can tie the small parts together, and it'll just be easier to find them when they're finished as a bundle instead of individual parts.
Wow, look at the state of that. No wonder it doesn't hoover. Now it should work better. Yes.
It's a great job everyone. Thank you very much.